around your home where you wish you had a light, but you don't?
Hi, Anthony Sullivan here for the Light Angel, the motion-activated LED light that sticks up in seconds and goes practically anywhere. It's like a guardian angel for your home that lights up the way for you, your family, and friends. Light Angel's weather-resistant adhesive sticks to practically anything. It's perfect for lighting up a porch, making a pool safer, and lots more. The Light Angel tilts back and forth so you get the perfect amount of light exactly where you want it. It swivels 360 degrees so you can light up almost anything. Stick it up by the front door, use it by the back door or a side entrance. It can even light up a shed. The Light Angel is the first one to see you coming and makes a great garage light. The secret's the technologically advanced motion detector that automatically activates the light whenever a human, pet, or automobile crosses its path.
Your home is far less likely to be broken into with a motion sensor light. That's why we recommend Light Angel to our residents.
It stays cool to the touch, and you can even use it indoors to brighten up a closet that doesn't have a light. And it's great under a sink or in tight spaces. Light Angel's 7 LED bulbs will stay bright for 100,000 hours. Use 4 AA batteries, stick up with no tools, and turns off after 60 seconds. Even when the power goes out, you can depend on the Light Angel to be your guardian angel. You could spend a fortune on a motion sensor light and you need tools to install it. Or you could call or click now and get the stick-up, motion-activated Light Angel